A warm welcome to all of you. I'd like to take this opportunity and thank all of you for being excellent viewers and leaving your comments and your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for subscribing the videos. Thank you for listening to what I have to say and giving your suggestions about what we can. Prashna is the topic which is very dear to heart. And why so? Because Prashna is a very important tool. Whatever Prashna says, always, as a matter of fact, does come out to be true. And in that, let's move on to a very beautiful Prashna about selling off the house. Recently, I had a Prashna on selling of the house. So, how do we see that Prashna now? In such a case, this is what came out as the uh, chart for the Prashna with the Aries Lagna and the Lord of the Lagna in the 8th house, with the second Lord and the 7th Lord, Venus, being with the 4th Lord, Moon, in the 11th house. 11th house is also the Badak house. So, as it came out, Lagna is Aries Lagna with Ashwini in the Gandhanta. So, that means that the person was in a hurry to sell his house. Lagna Lord is in the 8th house in the Jeshta Nakshatra. 8th house again shows uh, loans, other people's money, and that shows because it's Jeshta Nakshatra, it shows that the loan amount as against the house has been quite huge. And 8th house being other people's money and property definitely goes on to show the same. The bank will come for closure of the property if it does not, if the bank is not paid back soon, the bank will definitely come for the closure. Moon is in Purvashada in the 11th house with the second lord. Now, Moon is also money, and Moon is with Venus, which again is the second lord of income and the seventh lord of position, and it's in Purvashada Nakshatra. It is with Venus. Venus denotes beauty. So, this house has definitely got to be something very beautiful. With the aspect of Rahu, this house definitely is very different from the rest, and that is what the person confirmed, that this was a house which was very beautiful, had a very scenic view, and it was one of its kind. Second lord being involved there, it shows a lot of money is involved, and yes, definitely it was a big house, huge house, which was extremely costly. The dispositor of Moon is Rahu and Saturn. Rahu is in the 3rd house and Saturn is in the 10th house. This means that there has been a problem, and this house was put on loan, or was this house was put on a loan was taken against his house because the person had to adjust his work loans against it. So Moon is the lord of the 4th house. So this Prashna also relates to home and security. Internally, he's not wanting to sell the house and he wants to save it because it's the Purva Ashada Nakshatra, sorry, Purva Bhadra Nakshatra, and Purva Bhadra Nakshatra being a two-faced nakshatra definitely means that the person is in two minds. He has a deep connect with this house, and he has absolutely he is in a very difficult situation. He is in a situation which is binding him and pulling him apart in two ways. He wants the money because he has to pay for his loans, and yet because he's built the house which is one of its kind, he doesn't want to sell it. Now again, how is he going to save it? The dual nature, as I said, and the fickleness of the mind can be shown by his indecisive attitude. The 6th lord in the 10th house shows this is situation has developed because of professional expansion. It is with the 10th lord, which is Digbali, 5th lord. Okay, so the 6th lord is again a lot to do with a lot of the loans. 6th house is the house of loans. We need to see where the 6th lord has gone and sat. The 6th lord is sitting in the 10th house with the 10th lord and a Digbali 5th lord. 5th house is also about your expansion. There was a great need for expansion. People wanted to grow big, wanted to reach stellar heights, and so the the work was expanded, as a result of which a loan was needed and the house was put on mortgage. So all this shows that the house was put on mortgage. But the thing is, how can the person come out of it? That we can see, and we can tell that the person would take certain amount of time. He should not be in a hurry. He should just work his way up, take a call, be very decisive, because the moon is in Purvashara Nakshatra, Purvabhadra Nakshatra, just moving into Purvabhadra Nakshatra. So he needs to take a very definite call about what he wants to do about the house. Again, he would be able to get the money after solving or coming to certain agreements with the bank and with help of his lawyers. And with that, if he also feeds some black dogs, he would also be able to get his work. Let's not forget that this house, as represented by the fourth house, fourth Lord Moon, is in the Badaka Sthana with the second and the seventh Lord. That means, because it is of high value, that is the reason it is not being sold. So if the value of the house could be modulated, there are chances that the house will be sold. One, and two, we need to do certain remedies which will help him work faster. Feeding a black dog will also go a long way in doing that remedy. Prashna always gives very definite answers, and it is very definite in its views. So we should be very careful while asking questions, and a Prashna should not be repeated within the 6 months. This is a very important thing that all of us need to understand and remember. Till we meet again, stay safe, be happy.